Hi, I'm the math guy Steve. Let's try synthetic division. So synthetic division can only be done under certain circumstances, and that is if we're dividing by x minus a number, okay? So it could be x minus a negative, which makes a plus. So x plus or minus a number is when we use synthetic division, or when we can use it. And so here we're dividing by x minus 1, and so we know we can use synthetic division. And so what we do with that 1 is we put that 1 in the corner like this. Okay, and then whatever we're dividing by, we put those coefficients on the outside. So here we're dividing by, negative 9x to the 4th, so we put a negative 9 here, okay? 10x cubed, so we put a 10 here as well. 7x squared, so we put a 7 as well. But then, notice the x term is missing. And so for that, we need to account for it, so we put a 0 for the x term, and then a negative 6 as our constant term, okay? And so when doing synthetic division, it's just a bunch of multiplying and adding. That's how we're doing, multiply, add, okay? We kind of go in this like zipper motion here, okay? Now, to start, we need to bring down the first term. So bring down the first number of coefficients. So bring down negative 9. Then we multiply. 1 times negative 9. We get negative 9. Then we add. Okay, 10 times negative 9 is 1, okay? Multiply. 1 times 1, we get 1. Add 7 and 1, we get 8, okay? Multiply 1 times 8, we get 8. Add 0 and 8, we get 8. Multiply again, 1 times this 8, we get 8. And add, we get 2, okay? And so now what happens is this, because since we're dividing by x minus 1, this brings all the powers down one value of x. Meaning we start off with a 9x to the 4th, so now this goes down one power. We're taking an x out of each, and so this goes down to x cubed. This started off as the x cubed term. Now this becomes the x squared term. Okay, this starts off as the x squared term. This becomes the x term, down one power. This was our x term. We didn't have one, so we accounted for it with a 0, which means this becomes our constant term. Okay, and then this was our constant term, so this brings it down one power. This becomes our remainder. Okay, so how we write the remainder, or how we write our whole quotient along with the remainder, is we say the quotient is negative 9x cubed plus x squared plus 8x plus 8. And since that's our remainder, we write our remainder over the thing we were dividing by. So 2 over x minus 1. Okay. So that's synthetic division. Again, use it when we're dividing by x minus a number, x plus a number. Okay. Always remember, math is everywhere.